Is juicing bad for you? Experts believe juicing your veggies can improve your health, but juicing improperly could lead to problems like unwanted weight gain. Mainstream news journalists are quick to point this out. Where is it going wrong? Many juices rely on fruits to add flavor to the sweetness. When you run an apple through a juicer, it removes the fiber but keeps the sugars. Without fiber, that sugar goes straight into your bloodstream. Is there a quick way to get the benefits of superfood juicing without all the sugar or the hassle? Organifi green juice, packed with refreshing, resetting superfoods in amounts you can feel good about to help anyone get super healthy greens into their day. Featuring effective doses of superfoods like ashwagandha, turmeric, wheatgrass, chlorella, spirulina, and many more. With just 1 gram of naturally occurring sugar, no added sugar. Organifi makes it easy to manage stress for an easier day and keep hormones balanced for feeling good, feeling that harmony, feeling rested in your body and your mind. Order your 30-day supply today of your Organifi green juice, or for a limited time, order a bundle of 3 bottles and receive the 4th bottle absolutely free. That's right, I can't even believe we're doing this. You'll also save an additional 26%, which is amazing. Just click the link below and order yours today, right here, right now.